Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name's Alicia. I love all things beauty, all things makeup. So if you're into that kind of thing, then I think you would really enjoy my content. I hope that you will stick around and subscribe. Today, we're just going to be going right in. I have my Ipsy bag for the month of September. Now, this has been getting to me really late. Now, I've been subscribed to Ipsy for like multiple years at this point. I was subscribed to like the Macy's box, Ipsy, BoxyCharm, FabFitFun. I have since unsubscribed to all of those services. Now FabFitFun, I was an annual member, so I do have one more box left, which will be the winter box this year. But I am considering doing away with Ipsy as well. Now, Ipsy purchased BoxyCharm, which BoxyCharm was my favorite, and they started kind of going downhill recently, which is why I unsubscribed to them. But Ipsy did purchase BoxyCharm. This is a monthly subscription. There's a few different levels, just like BoxyCharm. So there are just the basic bag, which is, I think it's $13 a month, and it's just like a few deluxe sample sizes, and then you might get one or two full-size items, but it'll be like a brush or like a lip gloss or something like that. And then the Glam Bag Plus is a bigger bag, and it comes with 5 full-size items, and that one retails for it drafts my account for $27. And then the Glam Bag Ultimate, or the Glam Bag X, I forget what it's called, but that one is a quarterly subscription, just like the BoxyCharm Premium, I think is what it was called. So anyway, you just get more products. Now, every month with Ipsy, you can pick a few things. I think it's like 3 things that you can pick. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right in. This is the bag this month, and it's like 90s themed. I really, really do love this bag. So this month it was very, very heavily skincare themed. So if you've been subscribed to any boxes, you know you accumulate quite a lot of that, and so that was why I'm kind of considering just doing away with it, because while some of these products are really good, I just don't need them. So I will be giving all of this to my daughter, so she will be thrilled. So the first thing that I got, well, actually I'm gonna hold up 2 of them. I got these products from Murad. Now Murad is a very, very well-known prestigious name brand. These products I'm sure are amazing. Specifically this one, I actually was kind of interested in this, but it does well with acne prone skin, and because she is a teenager, I figured this could help her. This retails for $44, and it is the Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. And I liked the container of this. I haven't tried it, but I did just open it up and just to see what it looked like. Nice plastic packaging. It's 1.6 ounces, which is a pretty, that's like a moisturizer and a half. Most moisturizers are like 1 ounce. So then this is the Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is half of an ounce, so kind of like an eye cream, just standard size. This retails for $23. And then I also got a Neogen Dermalogy, which I've never heard of that name brand. That's getting washed out. But yeah, I had never heard of this name brand, but this is just a clear soothing foam cleanser, and this retails for $19. And this one is 3.38 ounces, developed by Neogen Lab. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's a decent, cleanser, but how exciting is a cleanser? You know what I mean? Okay, now they did give me 2 makeup products. but they're not like things that I'm dying over. They're not like name brands that I'm familiar with. One of them I am. This is Shades by Shan, but I'm not like thrilled with this. I have received a palette from her before, and again, it's just kind of basic, like cheap cardboard packaging. Like it doesn't feel, it doesn't feel like weighted or heavy. And yeah, it's just really, really basic. So I mean, it's a bronzer. This retails for $15, and again, I figured my daughter would really like that. And then from YC collection, I got this Stay Natural liquid blush, and it's actually a duo. This retails for $20, and you just get 2 little liquid blushes. So you get one that is more peachy and then one that is more of a coral shade. And that's it. That's what came in this bag. Now, while she will love it, there was nothing in there that excited me, like, at all. Now, they do always have add-ons that you can get. And of course, I got some add-ons. And this is what I will be keeping from this bag. And it's stuff that I specifically picked out. So, the first thing that I picked up was this Tarte Hydro Concealer. And I got mine in the shade 12N, which is fair neutral. That's usually the shade that I wear in Tarte's products. This concealer retails for $25. Now, I was looking back through my emails to see if I could find exactly how much they charged me per add-on, and I don't have that breakdown, but I can tell you how much I paid for the add-ons, like, overall. So, the next thing I got was a few things from Patrick Ta, and I've got quite a few things from him, and everything that I've tried from him I really like. So I wanted to try, I got his brow, what is it called? Brow shaping wax. And I got mine in the tinted shade. He also has a clear shade, but because I actually do have quite a bit that I have to fill in the front of my brows, I figured I would get the tinted version. And it's just his classic packaging. This is what it actually looks like here. And I honestly, like, I love the outside packaging of his stuff, but it gets so many freaking fingerprints on it. I can't stand that part of it. And then with that, I got the brow brush that goes along with it. And this actually came as like a set on Ipsy's website. So it's just, you know, like a little rose gold brush. This brush normally retails for $18, and the brow wax, I don't think I mentioned that, normally retails for $22. And then the last thing that I picked up was a blush. This is the Velvet Blush from him, and this is in She's Adorable. And I'll show you what that shade looks like. This is that shade there. So just a gorgeous peachy shade. I also have another one from him. I'm gonna grab it real quick. Okay, well, I am supposed to have another one of these, but I can't find it right this second. But you can see the sheen in there. It does have a little bit of shimmer. So that is everything that I got in my bag. Now, the retail value of just the normal stuff that came in the bag was $121. So that was like all the skincare and then the blush duo and the bronzer. Retails for $121. I paid $27, so that's a good savings. And then the add-on products that I got normally retails for $97, and I paid $64.80. So, I mean, it is a good savings for sure, but at this point, I just don't know if I'm going to continue it. I think I'm going to see, October's my birthday month, so I may see, you know, what products are in October and then just do it based on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're subscribed to any subscriptions and what your thoughts are on them. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.